Hello everybody, Thomas here. Thanks so much for clicking on this video and welcome to Good or Gross, where I let you know if something is good or gross. And today, oh, do I got something special. I got something real special. I got Little Debbie ice cream. I've been looking everywhere for this at Walmart. It's only available at Walmart. This one is Cosmic Brownie. This one is Swiss Roll. And this one is Oatmeal Cream Pie. I'm hoping that the Oatmeal Cream Pie one is going to be the best. My wife thinks the Cosmic Brownie is going to be the best. But I'll tell you my opinion, what I love, what I don't love. But anyway, I will tell you if it is good or gross. But before we get into it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do end up liking it. If not, please leave in the comments below why you didn't. I'd really appreciate it. And make sure to click that subscribe button if you like this video, like past videos, and want to see more in the future. Thank you so much. Also, I have a link tree link down below that goes to my other social media as well as my Spotify. If you don't have Spotify and you have another music stream platform, just search up Thomas Hadley and my music will be there. It'd be great if you checked it out. So let's get into it. So I think I'm going to try to save the best for last, which I'm hoping is the Oatmeal Cream Pie. But this one is Swiss Roll. That's what I'm going to try first. I already took the little wrapper part off of it, so that way it was quicker for the video. Let's get into the Swiss Roll ice cream. Now, Swiss Roll is probably one of my least favorite Little Debbie snacks. It's fine. I'm just not the hugest fan of it. But let's see what the ice cream is like. It says that it's artificially flavored, a cold and creamy twist on a classic treat. Let's dive in. Wait, look at that. There's like white cream in there, just like the Swiss Roll. That's kind of chunky. Okay, that's not awful. That really does taste like a frozen Swiss roll. It might be a little less flavorful than a Swiss roll, but like I said, Swiss roll isn't my favorite in the world when it comes to Little Debbie. So a little bit less of flavor actually is better to me. So anyway, that's not bad. So if I have to call this good or gross, I'll probably say that this one's good. Definitely not gross. So let's try the next one. Wow, transition. What a great transition. Wow, whoa, hello. Now we got Cosmic Brownie. This is what my wife, Kayla, thinks is going to be the best. This is Cosmic Brownie. It says, a cold and creamy twist on a classic treat. It said that the last time too. Yeah, our family-owned brands, Little Debbie and Hudsonville, created this delicious Cosmic Brownie-inspired ice cream to make special moments even sweeter. So, you can see that there's like little sprinkles in there. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word. So, let's give it a try. Wow. Actually, what's funny is that the ice cream is about the same flavor, but these little sprinkles add so much to the overall flavor. That's ridiculous. That is so good. Better than the Swiss roll. That's really, really good. So, if I'm going to call this one good or gross, I got to say good. Now, let's transition one more time. Whoa, I just got oatmeal cream pie suddenly in my hand. I wonder how that happened. Anyway, this is the oatmeal cream pie one. It looks like vanilla ice cream. It looks like there's some bits of oatmeal in there. And honestly, I probably should have cleaned off my spoon a little bit better, but that's okay. Give me 1 second. So, at first, honestly, it kind of just tasted like vanilla ice cream to me. But as I continue eating it, I could taste that oatmeal cream flavor, if that makes any sense. The cream that's in the center of the oatmeal cream pie, I could taste that. But I'm not tasting much oatmeal. I wonder if the bits are oatmeal, but there's barely any bits in here. The overall flavor, though, I think I have to say that it is better than the Swiss roll, but nowhere near as good as the Cosmic Brownie. The Cosmic Brownie with those sprinkles is absolutely fantastic. I like it a lot. This is okay. It's a lot lighter, not just in the color of the ice cream, but in the flavor. But if it's compared to the Swiss rolls, I do like this better than the Swiss rolls. So this is the order they go in. Transition again, transition again, transition again, transition again, transition again, transition again. Oh, I still had ice cream on my mouth. So this is how it would go. Swiss roll being number 3, oatmeal cream pie being number 2, and cosmic brownie being number 1. What do you think? Have you tried these before? Let me know. Have you been able to find them? And which ones am I missing? I know there's some I'm missing. I don't know exactly, though. But yeah, I think all of these are good, but the Cosmic Brownie is definitely the best out of the bunch. What do you think? Leave in the comments below. If there's anything else that you'd like me to review, react to, whatever, let me know. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time! Ba 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 ba. That's the banana split, so I was wondering what the song was. Alright, bye!